Is your check engine light on and your car shifting hard or stuck in limp mode? It might be a transmission fluid temperature sensor issue. When you plug in an OBD2 scanner and get the code P0712, it means your powertrain control module, or PCM, is seeing a low input signal from the transmission fluid temperature sensor as circuit. This sensor is incredibly important because it tells the computer how hot the transmission fluid is, which directly affects shift points, line pressure, and torque converter clutch control. This sensor acts as a thermistor, meaning its resistance changes based on temperature. Specifically, as the transmission fluid heats up, the resistance drops, and the voltage signal sent back to the computer goes down. A low input code usually means the computer thinks the fluid is extremely hot, often pointing to a shorted circuit. The most common symptoms you will notice are the check engine light coming on, the torque converter clutch not working properly, harsh or delayed shifting, or the vehicle going into a protective limp mode where it will not shift out of a low gear. The causes for this code can range from a faulty transmission fluid temperature sensor, internal transmission problems, damaged wiring, or even a failing computer. To fix this, you want to start with a thorough visual inspection of the sensor, which is usually located in the transmission oil pan, and all the wiring connected to it. Look for rubbed wires or loose connections. If everything looks good visually, you will need a digital multimeter to test the sensor itself. Disconnect it and measure the resistance in ohms. As the engine warms up to operating temperature, that resistance should decrease smoothly. If it does not, the sensor is bad and needs replacing. You also need to check that the computer is sending the required 5 volts of reference power to the sensor. If testing electrical circuits sounds too complicated, or if you find out the sensor and wiring are completely fine, it is time to take your car to a professional mechanic. Transmission work can be highly complex, and ignoring this issue could lead to severe transmission damage. Catching it early can save you a lot of money and keep your vehicle running smoothly down the road.